All right, 6:17 now. Let's talk about today's money moment. All right, so this is probably something that not a lot of us think about until it's too late, and it's not the easiest topic to talk about, but we're talking about a will today because it's so important that you have one. It's a legal document that describes how you would like your property and other assets you have to be distributed after your death. Now, like I said, unfortunately, most people don't think about a will until it's too late. But according to a recent study by caring.com, 2/3 of U.S. adults have no will at all. So let's get to 6 tips that will help you plan for a better future. So obviously, the very first one is to get a will. But what I mean by that is a fundamental step, in planning all of this. And you want to get your will started in estate planning, guiding how assets and belongings will be distributed. Also, this is in case you do pass away, your family is taken care of. The next thing you want to do is appoint a power of attorney. So this is for set your medical directives to safeguard your preferences in case that you become incapacitated. So a power of attorney, if you're not sure, is a legal document that grants a chosen individual the authority to act on your behalf in financial or maybe legal matters. Medical directives cover your preferences regarding medical treatment and end of life care, If you have children, or maybe you're planning to start a family, you want to assign guardianship to ensure that a trusted loved one is taken care of in the event of your passing. So someone will be able to take care of your children, and you know exactly where they're going to be with family members or whoever you choose that to be. Now, you all may also want to consider a living trust. That's a more strategic way of managing your assets. It can be extra helpful to your family. And then also we're talking about something that not a lot of people consider initially, but social media accounts. So cryptocurrency, e-commerce shops, online subscriptions, financial information accounts, all of that is part of your digital estate. So often the younger generation will designate a separate digital executor in estate plans to oversee their online affairs. When estate planning as a younger person, it is not set in stone, and you don't want to set it and forget it process sort of thing. You need to regularly update as your life changes, happens, and you accumulate assets. If things get overwhelming, the best thing to do is contact a professional who can guide you through this entire process. I know a lot of us don't think about this, right? Because you don't want to think about end of life, but it's very important to make sure that your loved ones and everyone around you is taken care of, and all of your stuff goes in the way that you want it to, right? Okay, so that is your money moment for the day. Let's check in now on our forecast with Peyton Malone.
Thanks, Brheanna.